bet that there are more YouTubers and entrepreneurs that you guys watch that use the law of attraction but don't talk about it. Anything you want, you can have with the law of attraction. In 1 month, I got an email from my manager saying, Hey guys, it's Sadie, and this is not in fact my first time filming this video. I actually filmed this whole thing. My SD card ran out of storage. I accidentally deleted all the files on my SD card, and now I have to refilm 3 of my videos. Anyways, this is going to be a much requested and very important video to me, and it is about the law of attraction. This video is also sponsored by Audible, and I'm so excited to be working with them. So if you want to learn more about Audible and how you can get maybe a free audiobook or something, then stay till the end of this video. So first of all, what is the law of attraction? And my phone just went off. The law of attraction is defined by the power of the universe that draws similar energies together. This is a scientifically proven theory. It's as valid as the theory of gravity, and it's also always in motion. It never stops. You're always contributing to the law of attraction, even if you don't know that you are, but it's always in motion. So basically, the energy that you are giving off all the time is the energy that you're going to get back. When you are giving off good vibrations, then you're going to receive good vibrations back in the form of your desires and like actual physical things. Your own thoughts and actions are creating your future. Even unconscious thoughts, they're literally creating what is going to be your reality. The law of attraction is all about just controlling your thoughts and actions and focusing them on what you want your future to be. Some uses that are common for the law of attraction and the theme of some success stories that I have heard are usually abundance, like money in any area of your life, job opportunities, success in your career, a certain relationship with a person, joy, winning an amazing award, recovering from an illness, getting your dream house. Anything that you dream of, anything you want, you can have with the law of attraction. You have to know that the law of attraction is not always for good things, it's also for bad things. The universe doesn't know what type of energy is the best for you. It only knows what energy is the strongest that you give off and how frequently you give it off. So if you're always down on yourself and you're focusing on all the lack of stuff in your life and the negativity in your life, then you're just gonna receive more of that, because the universe will match your negative energy to other negative circumstances, and then they will attract. So how do you use the law of attraction? And there are 3 main things that you should do. 1 is asking the universe for exactly what you want and be precise about it. Become more deliberate on how you think and how you feel and act. If you are always focusing on bad parts of your life, you're going to attract more bad parts. So practice how you would feel, who you would be with, and what you would be doing if you were living your dream life. And once you know all of those details, it's going to kickstart the process of the law of attraction, and things are going to start to happen and positive circumstances are going to start coming to you. The second step is to believe that you will get what you want and then act on it. This is super important. You have to maintain a positive expectancy, which means you are patient and you're grateful and you're letting the universe do its thing. You ask with detail and with excitement like you already have it. And if you have limiting beliefs in your mind, you have to change them to positive ones. So if you think that you don't deserve a certain type of car or you don't deserve a certain income, then say to yourself, I'm strong enough, I'm smart enough, and I'm worthy of all the blessings that are coming at me. Because if you think that you don't deserve them, then why is the universe going to think that you deserve them too? Logic. And this is super important. Take actions that back up your desires. So if you want to become a millionaire, don't just sit on your butt and say, I want to be a millionaire, because that's not gonna get you anywhere, buddy. You actually have to act on it. So maybe start your own business or start talking to people who have made it in the business that you like. Start researching on how to become a millionaire. That will really kickstart the law of attraction. The third step is to become a vibrational match for the thing that you want. This works for anything. You need to focus on creating positive energies. And if you're practicing those positive emotions every day, then your vibration is up here and so is the thing that you desire, and they're going to attract because it's the power of the universe that attracts similar energies together. Whoa, I am an angel. There are some methods that I love to do to make the process of law of attraction kickstart and happen way faster. So the first thing is creative visualization. And this is basically a mindfulness exercise where you really really focus and center your thoughts on the thing that you want, and you imagine that you already have it. You feel all the emotions that you would feel if you already had exactly what you wanted. Say that you wanted a Tesla, and what you would do is you would relax, you would take some deep breaths in, oh, when the sun keeps changing, and you would just feel the excitement and the gratitude and the happiness of you have a Tesla. I have my dream car. I'm driving it right now. Literally act as if you are driving the car. Every single detail that you could think of will help the law of attraction to do its thing. The next thing you can do, which I do twice a day, and that is meditations and affirmations. So what you do is you sit, you get relaxed, just like the creative visualization, and you can actually go on Pinterest and find some positive affirmations. I have a Pinterest board that is just for like law of attraction, and I pin all of the positive affirmations that I want to repeat to myself. Some are, my business is growing and expanding and thriving. I am smart and successful. I am in the process of becoming the best version of myself. Something wonderful is about to happen to me. This will assert who you want to be and how you want to experience life. You guys can see my Pinterest board. It will be linked down below. So really find one that resonates with you and then repeat it daily over and over and over. Another thing you can do is do dream boarding. So this is when you create a collage of photos that you found on Pinterest or anywhere on the internet, and you just kind of create your dream life on that collage. I have one on my wall which is like kind of cute, but I wasn't really thinking about the law of attraction when I made it. I also have my laptop background as some things that I would love to attract into my life. Like I have palm trees, I have my dream car, I have the beach, some traveling opportunities, some cute outfits, some workout inspiration, a bunch of photos that inspire me and remind me to do my law of attraction. And whenever I open my laptop, I'm just like, wow, I just feel what it would be like to live that perfect life. I also have the background on my phone to be this like palm tree picture to attract some nice tropical vacation to me. So I'm super into dream boarding, and I think you guys should make one too. I made mine on Canva. Some other resources that I have for you guys, YouTube. There's a bunch of law of attraction influencers, and I bet that there are more YouTubers and entrepreneurs that you guys watch that use the law of attraction but don't talk about it. But it's a real thing, and I want to spread the message about it because if it can help you guys or inspire you guys or just make you guys happier, what have you literally got to lose? Even if the law of attraction didn't work, you'd still become a happier, more positive person anyways. But there are some YouTubers that I love listening to and hearing their thoughts and tips on the law of attraction. Sam Curl makes vlogs, lifestyle, health related things. I said that so weird, but she incorporates law of attraction when it's relevant, and she's super helpful. And Renee Amberg was one of the first ones that I've ever watched because I just searched up law of attraction success stories, and she told one of her success stories, and it was so cool, and I've been sticking around ever since. But there's also other things that you can use YouTube for the law of attraction. There's meditation. I just used one last night, and it was on success in your business and meditation. And there's also a bunch of success stories on there. So if you want to get inspired to start doing law of attraction, there are so many dream house or dream job or tripled my income. Like, they're so cool. So really just try to immerse yourself in the law of attraction on YouTube. I will also try to link my dream board down below so that you guys can use it too if you need like a starting guide or something. So as I said in the beginning of this video, this is a sponsorship with Audible. Audible has audiobooks, original audio shows, news, and comedy. They have such a wide selection of audiobooks, and all of the books that I'm about to recommend to you are on Audible. Sorry guys, my brownies were out of the oven and I just had to try one. Anyways, I love Audible because I don't really have the time to sit down and read a book, but I do always love learning, and especially self-help books about business and entrepreneurship. Just having so many books just on your phone is crazy to me, and I just love that idea so much. And if you sign up for Audible, you will get one free audiobook every single month. Mix it up a bit. You can get one on law of attraction, you can get one on baking, you can get one on tomatoes, and you will get 2 free Audible originals, so just a bunch of free stuff. You guys can go to www.audible.com/SadieAldis or text Sadie Aldis to 500 to get an exclusive 30-day trial and one audiobook of your choice for absolutely free. I love it so much, and I think that you will too, so let's go. Speaking of Audible, maybe you're someone who doesn't really quite believe in the law of attraction. These books, I really want you guys to read because they're so interesting. The first one is E Squared by Pam Grout. In here, she explains some like DIY energy experiments that prove that your thoughts create your reality. It's just like proof that the law of attraction works. Another one is It Works by R.H. Jarrett. And this one is an explanation on how LOA exists. There's also The Power of Intention by Dr. Wayne Dyer, and this guy is an actual scientist or doctor, I actually don't know, but he's some type of cool, smart guy. He tells you how to apply the co-creating principle into your life, which is basically like using your thoughts and actions to create your life. My little success story, I'm trying to keep it short, is actually really cool. I was really focused on the law of attraction in the months of like February, and I just really wanted to dive into it and see what I could manifest. So I was creative visualizing a certain situation, and that is going to New York and meeting up with a YouTuber. So I was visualizing it every single night. I was feeling the excitement, the nervousness, visualizing me packing for it and going on the plane and vlogging. In 1 month, I got an email from my manager saying, opportunity, New York City Beauty Redefined event. I peed my pants. She was like, can you hop on a call to talk about an opportunity? I was like, yes. So I hopped on the call and she was like, I have an opportunity for you to fly to New York for a weekend for a networking event with FameBit, and Luca Whitaker is going to be there, and you guys can meet up and you guys will be in some meetings together and it'll be really fun. I was like, heck yes. And I truly believe that I manifested that. It had worked for me in a month, so it's possible and it's already happened to me, but I am really, really excited to give you guys this video, and I hope that it was beneficial. Let me know down below any tips or anything that you want to know about law of attraction. I can answer some questions. I'm not like a literal scientist or like expert on this, but I do know a couple of things. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to go to my link for Audible or text Sadie Aldis to 500 500. I love Audible so much. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next